saga of the No Spark 307 383 continues. Hey, Skillbyte here. This video I'm going to show you how to test whether you're getting actual spark to the plug with an MSD Ignition. So you'll use the magnetic pickup, that's what I'm using. It uses the violet and green. You'll want to test right here, and what we're going to do is short it out with a piece of metal in a little U shape. All right, with the key on, and then I will be holding a screwdriver right here, and hopefully we'll see some spark and it won't actually light me up. Okay, hopefully this won't turn into one of those viral videos. People laugh at somebody for being dumb. Now, one thing to bear in mind is when you short it, you have to remove the short before it sparks. So it's every time you remove the spark, every time you remove the short, that's when it's going to spark. So let's test it. Nothing?
Yeah.
Oh, there it went. There it went. There it went. So tell me when you're letting off.
All right. Now.
Nothing.
Now.
Nothing.
Now.
Nothing. So that's great. We have a completely intermittent. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Now.
Nothing.
Now.
Nothing. Yeah, there it went.
Now.
All right.
It depends on where you touch it.
Yeah, make sure you are fully grounding it properly. So make sure you're actually shorting it and then remove it. Went. 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 All right. I think it's mostly working. See, there it didn't. So there's some question about whether or not it's getting fully grounded together or not. But that's how you test it. Are you grounding it?
Yeah.
Okay, so sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. What does that say? What does that mean? Is it the box? Great. All right, that's good. All right, well, that's how you do it. If I figure out what the problem is, I'll let y'all know on my channel, because I've been fighting this for a month now. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.